I have a bottle of Amaretto that I bought, I don't even know how long ago. It's been sitting around, hasn't even been opened yet. And I've been wanting to make a drink out of the drink book with this. I can't find one. I'm sure it exists. I'm sure I'll run across it eventually. But for now, we're just doing a drink that I found that's called the Godfather. It's a two ingredient drink. Super easy, so this will be a quick video. Start off. It's actually supposed to be scotch, but you know, Jim Beam's the businessman, so like, based on what I was reading, like the thing that's good about scotch with this is like the spicy finish. Jim Beam has that. They're both whiskeys. It's fine. Whatever. Torch me in the comments, the whatever. So easy, man. Jim Beam, big part of the jigger. Amaretto. Oh god. A fancy lid, it looks like a little rose. And it even said, like, you don't even have to, like, do anything aside from stir it up. You don't gotta shake it, nothing. So just gonna add some ice to it. Put this ice in here. Oh gosh. So that's it. We're done. We made these drinks. Woo. I got a little... The Amaretto's good.
Whoa! It's really sweet, but it's like really good.
That's actually pretty delightful. It's not... I think you could even go... It smells strong, so it's like probably better to have it in a bigger glass where it's not like blowing straight up your nose. Because it's like... It tastes great, but like we were both scared to take a sip because it smelled really strong. But it tastes amazing. Highly recommend it, man. That's good. Easy.
Yeah.
Like and subscribe.